start with our third, fourth, and fifth graders. So thank you all for being here. Look at that teamwork. We got it. We're here and we're ready to go. Thank you again for your patience. Thank you for turning off your mics. Thank you, Ms. Torres, for creating a new link because mine was not wanting to work, but the district helped out. So either way, let's get started. Welcome to the first trimester awards for Beardsley Academy. Can't believe it's already the end of our first trimester, but we're going to jump right in. Our first awards that we will be recognizing, and boys and girls, pay attention because Ms. Mata has made a beautiful presentation, and you will be able to see your name and the certificate that will be mailed to you. It's going to be mailed to you today. They're in the process of sending them out right now, so look out for those in the mail. I love that you guys get to get mail. That's an older concept that maybe you're not so used to. So we like to call it snail mail. So we're going to get started with our outstanding students in reading. These are students who have received the award for outstanding student in reading. We have Samantha Anguiano, Casey Calderon, Rafael Martinez, Almarelli Valdivia, Alexander Harris, Giovanni Vadillo, Melanie Lobbins, Julio Torres, Nathan Valerio, Liliana Monterosa, Jocelyn Vargas, Ruby Cardoso, Autumn Gonzalez, and Aiden Van Savage. Great job, boys and girls. Woo! I see all of you celebrating. Great job. Now for our students for outstanding student in writing. Jack Janess, Sofia Oropesa. Oh, I'm going faster than the slideshow. What? Miss Mata, is it going?
I thought she got kicked out.
Did she leave the meeting? Boys and girls, I see Vanessa, you're laughing. I'm glad you're enjoying yourself. See, that's the best part. You can laugh with us. You can laugh with us on a Thursday or a Friday because you never know what you're going to get with us. So let's see if she's able to jump back in. But I'll continue reading. I see her in there. That's what's interesting. Well, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to read them, but we'll show the slideshow after, okay? So for outstanding students in reading, yes, it kicked her out. So let me see if she gets back in. You know what I can do? I have an idea because I have to think on the spot and make changes. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to see if I can share it with all of you. And that may be the way we do it. Oh, here she comes. I see her. Do you guys see her? Oh, I think she's coming back. I think she's coming back. Are you coming back, Miss Mata?
Oh my goodness. I just wanted everybody to know I was here. Hi, everybody. I'm going to try presenting one more time.
Okay, we're on outstanding writing. Okay, here we're on it's outstanding students in writing. Next slide. Oh, yay! Great job, Miss Mata. Outstanding student in writing, Jack Janess, Sofia Oropesa, Jocelyn Funes, Abril Perita, Isabella Delgadillo, Sofia Castillo, Alexandra Perita, Sofia Duran, Gianna Solares, Sofia Valencia, Isabella Oropesa, Liam Serrano, Charlize Carrion, and Evan Acosta. Great job, boys and girls. Yeah. Woo! Next, we have outstanding student in math. Julian Velasquez, Genesis Guerrera, Jose Marquez Guzman, Andrew Duran, Rafael Lozada, Diane Colindres Garcia, Esteban Lopez, Stephen Martinez, Valerie Flores, Isabella Valerio, Vanessa De Arcos, Abraham Arias, Jesse Arroyo, and Danielle Gutierrez. Daniel. All right, way to go. Next, for most improved student in reading, Jesse Gonzalez, Corinne Reed, Carlos Saldivar, Christopher Garcia, Rosemary Ortiz, Giovanni Reyes, Nathan Gonzalez. Yeah, great job. Most improved student in writing, Isabella Gonzalez, Mia Sosa Gonzalez, Abigail Lalata, Leah Martinez, Trinity Hin, Irma Martinez, Charlie Bendana. Yeah. For most improved student in math, Jorge Padilla, Juliana Castaneda, Jeremiah Delon, Crystal Miranda, Alina Armis, Joseph Sanchez, and Grace Utter. Yeah. Okay, for teacher's choice. For improvement in writing, Jennifer Ramirez. Derek Campo for improvement in math. Aaliyah Kenny for always being prepared for class, having a positive attitude, and demonstrating excellent effort in distance learning. Anthony Gutierrez for always having a positive attitude and for persevering when he faces new challenges. That was kind of like us, all of us, right? But for this assembly, great job. Isabella Delgadillo for always going above and beyond what is expected of her. Carlos Saldivar for always having a positive attitude during distance learning. Annette Flores for always showing kindness towards others. Joseph Hernandez for always being polite and showing good manners to others. To Angie Angel for giving 100%. Sienna Bishop for giving 100%. Evan Cortez por siempre terminar sus trabajos pendientes el próximo día. Emmanuel Sedano por ser un estudiante ejemplar, terminar todos sus trabajos, ayuda a sus compañeros y tener una actitud positiva. And Daniel Gutierrez for following classroom rules constantly and for being a good role model. And Aiden Van Savage for having strong reading comprehension skills. Yeah, those were great, great awards. Congratulations. And now we have our last award, which is citizenship. Are you ready for this long list? Boy, I am. I love citizenship. Esmeralda Aguirre. Oh, now Ms. Torres is presenting. Esmeralda Aguirre. I'm going to continue reading the names. Karina Cisneros, Victoria Talavera, Sofia Oropesa, Casey Calderon, Genesis Guerrera, Samantha Anguiano, Isabella Gonzalez, Yair Salinas, Jorge Padilla, Jocelyn Funes, Aaliyah Kenny, Jose Marquez Guzman, Abril Perida, Mia Sosa Gonzalez, Almareli Valdivia, Sofia Castillo, Isabella Delgadillo, Abigail Lalata, Rafael Lozada, Giovanni Vadillo, Alyssa Campos, Alexandra Perita, Ethan Agahorn, Anaí Banuelos, Nicole Lopez, Nathan Valerio, Ismael Gomez, Juan Banuelos, Isabella Oropesa, Irma Martinez, Jocelyn Vargas, Vanessa De Arcos, Giovanni Reyes, Arnold Aguirre, Autumn Gonzalez, Aiden Van Savage, Carlos Bandana, Charlie Bandana, Charlize Carrion, Daniel Gutierrez, Evan Acosta, Fernando Serrato, Grace Utter, Jennifer Aguirre, Jesse Arroyo, Kalea Palmer, Marco Salazar, Nathan Gonzalez, and Aiden Guzman. Boys and girls, this concludes our assembly. You guys did a great job. Look at all of you cheering. Oh, see all the Charlie Brown characters. Everybody, we're going to, well, really fast though, hold on, because I want to keep it the same as always. And I so appreciate all of your support. I can't thank the teachers enough for all their hard work. I can't thank the parents for all of your support and families who are helping, grandmas and grandpas and aunts and uncles. I can't thank you students enough for all your hard work. So thank you. This is truly, truly, truly a team effort. We worked as a team today. We solved a problem, and that's just what this has been. And it's been quite the experience. So I just want to say thank you. And boys and girls, you know we always do this. We always have to make sure we thank our parents and our teachers. So I'm going to regret doing this, but it's okay. Because you know what? You have to have fun once in a while. So you're going to take your mics off. Students, cover your ears, everybody else. And on the count of 3, hold on, listen to the directions. On the count of 3, you're going to say thank you. But then you're going to turn your mic off right away. Okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, get them off. Thank you, everyone.
It says,
Awesome. Okay. If you can turn your mics off. Oh,
Romero?
oh, yes.
Can I just say, I know there was a lot of names on that list, and there was Daniel Torres, who also needs to be honored for citizenship. He was actually right near Daniel Gutierrez, so I think that's why you accidentally missed his name, but I don't want to hang up before we honor him.
Thank you. You are right. I think that's exactly what I did. So Daniel Torres, I'm glad the certificate was up, but let's give a special shout out to Daniel Torres. Thank you. And you know what? That was my fault because I was correcting myself with Daniel. So thank you, Daniel Torres, as well. You got citizenship. So great, great, great job. Thank you again to everyone who was able to get on. Thank you for your perseverance in trying to figure it out. And we hope that you all have a great day. We were glad to put this together for you. And a special thank you to Ms. Mata for putting together the presentation so that you can see your certificates. Again, they are being mailed today.